Direct selling is often seen as a fast-growing business model, and it is. But direct selling is first and foremost hundreds, sometimes thousands of independent collaborators linked to each other but separated by many kilometers who give their best to succeed together and grow a brand. Being able to accompany them, coach them, and help them to evolve more and more is a priority. Collaborators are integrated from their arrival thanks to Bravon onboarding, which aims to help them to share with them the values of the companies to make them feel like a member. They have access to training courses developed for their level, earn rewards, and gradually unlock trainings of higher levels that will make them grow even further. Their activity is an adventure, and every step is a challenge made up of objectives to be reached, rewards to be earned, and levels to be climbed. And when motivation drops, they receive courage to boost them to surpass themselves and achieve their goals. Through Bravon, collaborators plan their sessions whether physical or remote, follow and convert their leads, and manage their sales. Each development gives rise to new needs. That's why Bravon evolves with collaborators who have become team managers, because their mission grows and so do the Bravon functionalities. Managers can recruit new collaborators, build their own team, manage, and animate it. Bravon supports MLM collaborators throughout their careers, helps them to evolve themselves and their team.